Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is notes on the lines. Our topic is notes on the lines. Today, we are going to study how to draw 5 minim notes on the fourth line of treble clef. Now, let us draw 5 minim notes. Remember, the note must be written properly on the line, not too small and not too big. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.